Rosemary is a popular herb in the Mediterranean region, and it can be easily grown in your garden as long as you follow a few simple tips. In this video, we will discuss how to grow rosemary, including when to plant it, how often to water it, how much land you need, when you can harvest it, common problems, the best climate for growing it, what it is used for and its taste. Firstly, the right time to plant rosemary is in the spring when the soil temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. You can either sow seeds directly into the soil or transplant seedlings from a nursery. Rosemary requires well-draining soil and plenty of sunshine, so make sure to choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of sun per day. When it comes to watering, rosemary plants prefer dry soil, so it's best to water them only when the soil feels dry to the touch. Depending on the climate, this may be once a week or less. Be sure not to overwater as this can lead to root rot. Rosemary can grow up to 1.5 meters tall and 1.5 meters wide, so make sure to leave enough space for each plant to grow. Each plant should be at least 30 to 40 centimeters apart from each other. When you can harvest rosemary depends on how big you want your plant to grow. If you want a large plant, wait until the second year to start harvesting. If you want a smaller plant, you can start harvesting in the first year. Simply cut a few sprigs off the plant with a sharp knife or scissors. It's best to do this in the morning when the oils in the plant are the strongest. Some common problems you may encounter include powdery mildew and root rot. To prevent these, make sure to provide adequate drainage and don't overwater your plants. If you do encounter these problems, you can use a fungicide to treat them. Rosemary is a hardy herb that can be grown in a wide range of climates. It prefers warmer temperatures between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, but it can still grow in cooler temperatures as long as it gets plenty of sunshine. Rosemary is commonly used in cooking and is especially delicious in Mediterranean dishes. It has a slightly bitter and pungent taste that can add depth to soups, stews, and sauces. It can also be used in marinades and rubs for meats. In conclusion, growing rosemary in your garden is easy and rewarding. Make sure to plant it in the spring, water it sparingly, leave enough space for each plant to grow, and harvest it in the morning. With proper care, you can enjoy this flavorful herb in your cooking for years to come.